Process applications faster and close more deals with Innovo's WhatsApp solution for contact centers. Use Innovo's WhatsApp solution to dramatically improve the way you manage customer applications from within the contact center. Enable customers to conveniently submit any supporting documents or file types to contact center agents over WhatsApp. Payslips, copy of an ID, PDF statements, and more. Leverage WhatsApp functionality to improve any existing application process, such as sending T's and C's over WhatsApp voice note rather than reading them over the phone. Or the bot can manage the document submission process without agent intervention and fulfill your required process. Make it easy for agents to link any received files straight to an existing customer account or application. Send follow-up requests and status updates via WhatsApp to reduce application drop-off rates. If you're ready to boost CX, decrease your cost of acquisition, and increase sales by processing more applications faster, contact us now about Innovo's WhatsApp solutions for your contact center. Our team is here to help.